Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Dwi Salsamila. I am from to class 91. Here I am still storytelling The Mouse Deer and the Crocodile. The mouse deer and the crocodile, a very tricky animal, but he had many enemies. The mouse deer was a very tricky animal, but he had many enemies. One of his enemies was the crocodile. The crocodile lived in a river near a forest. One day, the mouse deer went to the river. It was a very hot day, and the waves very thirsty and dirty. He wanted something to drink from the river, and the tan had battered and wanted something to drink from the river, and the tan he battered and splashed about in the water. Suddenly, the crocodile saw the mouse deer. A nice meal, he thought. Then he silently crawled behind the mouse deer and grabbed him. He caught the mouse deer's legs. The mouse deer was startled and terrified as well. Then he had an idea. He saw a twig floating near him. He picked it up and said, "You stupid fool! So you think you got me? You're bad beating a twig on my leg. You stupid crocodile, here, my leg." And with that, he saw the crocodile the weak. The crocodile could not see very well. He was a very stupid creature. So he believed the cunning mouse deer. He freed the mouse deer leg and snapped upon the wig. The mouse deer ran out of water immediately. Ha ha ha! He laughed. "He take you!